Right, so we're going to be doing some piano samples. I've got a loop here, which has like different notes being played, and it goes onto chords and then wobbly notes and etc. etc. Right, so to get a sample of the piano notes, what we're going to do is double click on the loop, and then it should come up with this little menu down here. And what we want to do is see that that note's been played there. So you want to get it dead neat and click here and drag it along. And don't just go to the end of the note, go to the start of the next note so we can get the full sound. So about there-ish. So that'll be okay, so let me double check that. Oh, so let's do it again. There you go, so that's selected now. And once you've selected that note, we go to audio file, save selection as, and then we want to save it to desktop, and I've made a folder called Joel's Piano. That's where we want to save it, so we want to call this note 1, or C1, let's go with C1, note C1. Save. There we go, so we got our first note saved, and we're going to have to do this for every other note, so let's listen to it after that. Alright, save this note here, all the way up to the next note, and you can see where the next note starts, because the lines get bigger. Nice, right. Audio file, save selection as note C2, save it as the same place. Alright, then we have to do it again for another note. And basically what we're doing is just selecting these little notes and sampling just the one note so we can use it to make an instrument later on. Audio file, save selection as note C3. Alright, and then we're going to see. It's another just plain note. Right to the end there. Perfect. Audio file, save selection as note C4. Perfect. Then I think we've got another plain note. Yeah, I think it's going to be one of the last notes for the chords. Save selection as, same place, note C. I think we've got 4 already, haven't we? Yeah, C5. Save. Then after that, it's this smaller note here, which, yeah, I think this is the highest pitch note you can get. And take that all the way to the next note. Nice. Audio file, save selection as note C6. Nice. Right. Now we've done them, I think we're going to chords. Yeah, it's our first chord. So it's exactly the same, it's just a different sound, so to make sure we get it all the way up to the next one. Chords usually last longer than the notes did. Oh, sugar. Start one again. Yeah. There you go. Audio file, save selection as chord C1. And then we've got, well, that pans out of the different speakers, so I'll call that one a wobble note. It sounds like it's wobbling basically. and take that all the way to the next one, which is here. So audio file, save selection as wobble note C1. Right, and then I think after the wobble note we've got a playing chord. Yeah, there's no wobble in that, so that's as chord 2, we'll call that one. There we go. Audio file, save selection as chord C2. That's the second chord we got. Then by the looks of the lines on the next one here, it looks like another wobble one, but you've got to check. Yep. So we get really neat all the way across. Up to here. Audio file, save selection as. This will be wobble note. Wobble note. C2, second one. Nice. I think we've got 2 more after this. So this one looks like a normal chord. Let me double check. Yeah, it's a normal chord. I think this is the 3rd chord we've had. So now let's get it up in line with the second one. Nice. Right. Audio file, save selection as chord C3. And the last one, you can tell by the looks of the lines here that it will be a wobble one. It just pans out for the different speakers, so this will also be the 3rd wobble note we've had, and we want to take that all the way to the end. About there. Audio file, save selection as wobble note C3. Nice. Right, now we've basically sampled all of the notes on this Elite, which took a while since it's quite a long note for pianos. And then what we want to do is create a software instrument so we can get the sampling up down here. And we want to go down to EXS24 sampler. When we click on that, this should come up. And all we want to do is go to edit up here, and then we should get this screen. And this will help us make all the samples into an instrument basically. So we want to make a new instrument, so instrument new, then go to zones, load multiple zones. Right, now it looks like it's already gone on to, yeah, that's right. So it's found the folder which I was keeping all my notes in, and now I want to add them, so I think we'll do the chords first. So add chord 1, chord 2, chord 3. Yep. And then we'll go straight onto the wobble notes down here. So wobble note 1, wobble note 2, wobble note 3. And then I'm going to do the notes. You can add them in any order you feel like. It's just that I don't know, I just want to choose this way. Add note 2, add note 3, note 4, note 5, and then I think we've got one more last one, yeah, note 6. Right, now we've added all of our samples we've taken onto this, and what we want to do is just click the done button, and then we should get this up. And this is basically asking us how many notes you want for each sample, and I think 2, so we can change the dynamics a bit on it. And alternate. Yeah, that's right. Press OK. And now we should get the notes being played here. Obviously, it doesn't sound very well at the moment because I've not made a tune for it. And you can also record that onto Logic. So if we want to click on Logic and we want to solo this and record it. Yeah, and it doesn't sound the best, but it's showing you that you can make any tune you want to your samples. Yep, so that's how you sample a piano.